Hey, it's OhioJimbo, and today I'm going to bring you a really cool song just to show you the simplicity of this. It's a great classic. It's called Drift Away. This one is easy because it's a D, an A, an E, and there is a B minor in there, but this is a really easy one because it's the same shape as an A minor, and you just slide up 2 frets. So anyway, let's just see how this sounds. So if you start in D, day after day I get more confused. I look for the light in the pouring rain, yeah, yeah. You know that's a game that I hate to lose. Here's a B minor. I'm feeling the strain. Ain't it a shame? Oh, give me the beat, boy, the free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. So simple. Give me the beat, boy, the free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. And all of this goes through the same thing. So it's that same D, A, and then D, E, and then back to A. It's really simple. So if you kind of got that, getting the thing that I'm wasting time. I don't understand all the things I do, yeah, yeah. The world outside looks so unkind. Back to B minor. I'm counting on you to carry me through. I'll give it a beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. So if you look at this, it's really that simple, kind of very simple. Now, I got a little bit of technique going on over here because I'm muting some of the strings and I'm kind of pounding on them too. So you kind of get that. Let that happen. It's just so easy. And then there's a little turnaround that happens in the middle of the song. It sounds like it's going to be a little confusing, but it's not. You just go back to that B minor. When my mind is free, you know a melody can move me. Keep going to that B minor. When I'm feeling blue, the guitar coming through to save me. And you go back to D. Thanks for the joy that you've given me. I want you to know I believe in your song, yeah, yeah. Rhythm and rhyme and harmony. You help me along, making me strong. Yeah, give it a beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. That's the whole song in a nutshell. So if you get those 3 chords and then add that little B minor in here, which if you know an A minor, you just slide up 2 frets and you got a B minor. It's pretty easy to get that part of it. Get your fingers used to that. That takes some muscle memory. But the rest of it's that D, A, and E. So Drift Away by Dobie Gray. What a great song. It's a good campfire song. It's general enough that you can play it in an intimate setting so it's not too pounding, but it's a great song to learn, and I hope this helps you. And if there's other songs you want to hear, leave them in the comments below. And man, I can't tell you how much I appreciate the growth that we've seen lately here on the OhioJimbo channel. Is because people like you keep coming back, and I would love for you to subscribe if you haven't already. We've got so many songs. We're now over 150 songs in the playlist, and that kind of campfire fun song can be played anywhere, but it really teaches you how to explore those first 3 frets. So that's what I want to do with this, and I'll give you every chord that could be in the song at the end of the video. By request, I'm going to start putting those chords at the end of the video so you can scroll forward just to see the chords and practice at your own pace. It helps you to kind of say, okay, what's a G look like? What's a D? What's a B minor look like? And I'm going to be the first to tell you, I don't even know what these chord names are. I just know that if I'm playing this, it sounds good, and that sounds better. And that's how I find these chords. So I simplify the songs for you, bring them back to you, and hopefully you can use these and play. And if you're not playing, just learning. All I can tell you is don't worry about what other people say or think. It's all about having fun. If you enjoy it, that's all that matters. And I do. The harmonious sound that comes out of a guitar is very pleasing to me. Whole nother story on that. But this is all this song is about. Dobie Gray's Drift Away. I enjoy playing it. I hope you enjoy learning it and playing it. And well, until next time, this is OhioJimbo. And if I don't see you out there, I'll see you in here.